So ladies and gentlemen, 2 Delta side by side today. '16 valve, first evolution. Next is sensational burgundy 8 valve. So version 1 and version 2. Arguably the 80s and 90s. That's really close. One little blemish on the paintwork, otherwise all good. Let's jump in. Oh, someone left the keys in, that's nice of them. Ooh. So, having jumped straight out of a 16 valve, so what appears to be a bit of a smoother throttle, smoother gearbox. Doesn't sound quite the same, it still sounds lovely. I'm not sure it has the same wastegate feature on it, different windows. Buttons for the window, sorry. And the first version of the yellow dashboard. Oh, it feels so smooth. Wow, that's a big difference. Just warming her up for a bit. A bit quieter, a bit smoother. Less savage, but still potent. Oh, this really is quite a machine. Round the corner, just no problem whatsoever. Relatively small wheels, bearing in mind. Yeah, it does lack a bit of punch, but you know, we've got 15 horsepower there, smaller turbo, slight creaking noise. Let's see if we can turn around. No, maybe not there. Here we go. Perfect, look at this, lovely. Yeah, a little bit more compliant, easier to drive. Not necessarily a good or bad way, just a bit more, a little bit tamer, I guess you'd say. Alright, let's see. Easy in first as we go, give her a little floor in second. Turbo kicking in now. Lovely. Yeah, not quite the same experience, slightly less intense. Still remarkable. Absolutely perfect for around here. Throw it around the corner, on the power, off you go. Slow it down for filming so we can get the change of gear. That come out, go down to the end. Great first impressions. There's a button, there's a light that says max turbo, which I've never seen before, just to let you know you're having it, giving it some. Yeah, a lot smoother gearbox, slight whine in the 16 valve, which is slightly concerning, but we'll get that looked at soon. There you go, folks. POV of the beautiful AV as promised. Look out for Mark 1 GTV and the beautiful Alpha Spire coming up. Till then.